Now that the brownie batter, what's wrong with me? Brownie batter. Okay, baked. Let's try a piece. Or not. Hey guys, it's Crystal. So today for chaotic cooking, we are going to be making gluten-free Nutella brownies. The very first step, of course, is to wash your hands. I've already done that, so now it's your turn. Now that our hands are washed, we're going to turn the oven on to 350 degrees. And while that's warming up, we are going to mix our ingredients. And mix in half a cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of butter. Now that's nice and blended, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're going to mix that in as well. Now we're going to add 1 cup of Nutella, 2 eggs, mix that in as well. Then you're going to add 3/4 of a cup of a gluten-free flour blend. If you don't want them to be gluten-free, you can use the same amount of an all-purpose flour. Now you're going to mix all the flour in together. Now you're going to grease your 8x8 brownie pan, and you're going to pour the mixture into the pan. Now that the brownie batter is in the dish, we are going to pop that bad boy into the oven. We're going to let that cook for 30 minutes. Now that it's all cooked, we're going to take it out of the oven and let it cool. That's so good. It's delicious. The top is nice and crunchy, but the inside is nice and gooey. This should be perfectly paired with some vanilla ice cream and chocolate sauce. Bon appetit!